just pulled the van into the garage. I'm going to let it dry off a little bit. But I want to show you the axle that I welded like 6 months ago. Brought it in to give it an oil change. Oh, it's dripping a little bit. But there it is. I'll get closer to see if I can. I just want to get wet under here. I want to see if it's, I knew it cracked from here going up. I just want to see if it's cracked anymore. I thought that little indentation right there was a crack. Might have to get the wire brush out. No, that's a part of the weld right there. I might as well check the other side while I'm here too. Let's see what the underneath looks like. That big pipe is still there. Yeah, people are still commenting that they got those clamps put on and they're breaking away. You know, those clamps with the two bolts on either side. I think those things have to be welded in because they're just breaking right here. But I noticed this in time, so this could be fixed. I don't feel nothing on the other side, like no crack. Okay, I'll look at the other side. And this is where it cracks, right in here. Oh, that side's good. And the pipe goes all the way right to this side, right to there. And it's welded pretty well the whole length. What happens is water gets in with salt and then just sits here and rusts. For weight, I did take the spare tire out of the bottom here, and also I took the back seat out so I wouldn't have passengers for the weight, because the seat's got to be a couple 100 pounds. So the back is just bare, and I try not to haul too much with it, maybe a few 100 pounds. This is a 2000 Windstar, a little bit newer than mine, and I'm going to have a look at the axle. I got my flashlight. Look at this. Snowbanks. Nice day today though. Like only -5. A few days ago it was like -25. At least I'm not going to get wet crawling underneath because this hasn't been in the garage. We'll have to look at the axle. See they put those clamps on this one. First time I've looked at this. This is what this is those clamps that they put on. I wonder if they welded that. No, that's just putty. That's what they look like. I've seen these at the auto wrecker, and some of them are split right there. So this one's still good for a while. We're just jacking up now and gonna put the jack stands on.
We're trying to find a way to keep the jack stands out of our way. Right there.
Okay, I'm just looking all the way down it and see if there's any more cracks.
You want to put like a pipe in there?
Yeah, that would strengthen it a little bit, wouldn't it?
Man, I wish it was bigger. It's going in too far. I wish it was like here, touching the sides.
I mean, a bigger pipe.
Yeah, bigger diameter pipe.
Got anything around here?
I'm sure I do.
Are you gonna weld the inside of this first?
Yeah. Yeah, same thing. We're gonna weld it and
Put a piece of bar in there,
yeah. So
then put
so what we'll only be able to weld it up to is all the way up to here, and then at the top it's just it's rusted through. There's no saving that. Here, can I give you a picture?
It's on a video right now. Well, we got a bigger pipe.
Yeah, that's nice.
Huh?
See how that will fit in there? It'll almost be sticking out, which is what you want. Right?
To give it the strength.
To give it that strength, exactly.